Don't miss opportunities or cool your leads with communication delays. Track your most recent touchpoints and maintain close contact using the last activity date tracker for sales. Without the last activity date tracker for sales, you need to sift through all your activities manually to determine the most recent touchpoints and contact types for a lead or opportunity. This method is time-consuming, frustrating, and prone to error. The last activity date tracker for sales eliminates all that extra tedium and uncertainty by displaying the most recent task, phone call, email, and appointment dates, as well as the last contact date of any kind, directly from your lead and opportunity forms and views. You can use this information to assign tasks to members of your sales team, create marketing lists and strategies, and maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of your communication activities.